Hi students, welcome back to chapter 3 Polygons. Dear children, today we are going to learn about regular polygons. Regular polygons means a polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. Here I am going to draw a quadrilateral with equal angles. Then how much is each angles? Yes, we know the sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Equal angles means 4 angles are equal. So each angles are 360 by 4 equal to 90 degree, right? Then is it necessary that the sides are also equal? See children, the angles of a rectangle are equal but sides are not equal. So rectangle is not a regular polygon. Again, let's draw a quadrilateral with sides are equal. Here I am going to draw a parallelogram with each sides 2 cm. Should the angles also be equal children? A parallelogram with equal sides may not have equal angles. So, a parallelogram also not a regular polygon. Then you can tell children which four-sided polygon has sides and angles are equal. Yes, it is a square. We can say a square is a quadrilateral with equal sides and equal angles. So a square is a regular polygon. Then which three-sided polygon has equal sides and angles? Yes, it is a equilateral triangle. If the angles of a triangle are equal, how much is each angle? Yes, sum of angles by number of angles. Here sum of angle is 180 degree. So 180 by 3 equal to 60 degree. Here sides and angles of a equilateral triangle are equal. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. We have seen that a three-sided regular polygon is a equilateral triangle. Here each angle is 60 degree. And a four-sided regular polygon is square with each angle is 90 degree. Then what we call a five-sided regular polygon? Yes, it is a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon means 5 sides and 5 angles are equal. Then how much is each angles? We know the sum of angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. So each angle is 540 by 5. We get 108 degree. Then children, if we draw a pentagon with equal angles, is it necessary that the sides are equal? No, the sides may not have equal. But a pentagon with sides and angles are equal is called regular pentagon. Then six-sided regular polygon is called regular hexagon. Means 6 sides and 6 angles are equal. Then how much is each angles? We know the sum of angles of a hexagon is 720 degree. So here also sum of angles by number of angles we get 720 by 6, that is 120 degree each. But here also it is not necessary that the sides are equal. So we can say a hexagon with equal sides and angles are called regular hexagon. So let us conclude it. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. Now let us see some questions from page number 58. Question number 1. Draw a hexagon of equal sides and unequal angle. Children, hexagon means six-sided closed figure, right? We have to draw a hexagon with equal sides. Here angle does not matter because it is unequal. So it is not a regular hexagon. Right children? Then first let us draw a rough figure of hexagon. Shall we take each sides as 3 cm? Okay. Then start with a line segment 3 cm by using a ruler. This will become one side of the hexagon. We know all sides are equal. So the other 5 sides will have this length also. Then use a ruler and draw a slanting line of 3 cm from the left end of the line segment as per in the rough figure. Then move the ruler to the other end of the slanting line and draw another slanting line like this with 3 cm. See the rough figure and do it correctly. Then keep the ruler horizontally and draw one more horizontal line like this with 3 cm again. Then take a compass and adjust compass with 3 cm and draw arc from open end of both horizontal lines. Now we get one intersecting point. Join it with a ruler. Now we get all sides are 3 cm and angles are unequal. If you have doubt, let us check with a protractor. Here base angles are 140 degree and 130 degree. So it is not equal. Then mark each vertices and sides. Question number 2. Draw a hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. In this question, angles are equal. First let us draw a rough figure. Children, how to find the sum of angles of a hexagon? Yes, we know number of sides of a hexagon is 6. When we substitute it to the equation n minus 2 into 180 degree, we get 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 4 into 180 degree equal to 720 degree. We know here all angles are equal. So each angle equal to 720 by 6, that is 120 degree. So here hexagon of equal angles means each angle is 120 degree. Then let's start. First draw a line segment of any measure by using your ruler. Then use protractor and mark 120 degree angle from the left end of the horizontal line. Then use your ruler and draw a line towards this point. Children, here you should ensure that length of sides are not equal. Then do the same from the other end. First mark 120 degree angle. Then use your ruler and draw line towards this point with a different measure. Then repeat the same from this point. First mark 120 degree angle and draw line towards this point. Then do the same from this point. First mark 120 degree angle, then use ruler and draw a line towards this point. Repeat the same from this point. First mark 120 degree angle and draw line towards this point. Children, here you should extend this line till it intersect to the other line. Then erase the remaining parts. In this angle also 120 degree because other 5 angles are 120 degree. So 5 into 120 degree equal to 600 degree. Then 700 minus 600 equal to 120 degree. So the last angle also 120 degree. Then at last let us mark its angles and vertices. Hope it is clear to you. Question number 3. How much is each angles of a 15-sided regular polygon? How much is each outer angle? For finding the outer angle, first let us see the sum of angles. Children, what is the sum of angles of any polygon? Yes, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here we know n equal to 15, that is given in the question. When we substitute it, we get 15 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 13 into 180 degree. We get 13 into 180 degree equal to 2340 degree. So the sum of angles of 15-sided regular polygon is 2340 degree. Here our question is, how much is each outer angle? So first let us see the each inner angles. We know it is a regular polygon, so the sides and angles are equal. So number of angles equal to 15. Then each angle is equal to 2340 by 15. We get 156 degree. Then each outer angle equal to 180 degree minus 156 degree, we get 24 degree. Question number 4. One angle of a regular polygon is 168 degree. How many sides does it have? One angle of a regular polygon means one inner angle. That is given in the question. So let us write inner angle of a regular polygon equal to 168 degree. We have to find the number of sides. For that, first let us see the outer angle. So outer angle equal to 180 degree minus 168 degree. We get 12 degree. We know the sum of outer angles equal to 360 degree. When we divide an outer angle from the sum of outer angles, we will get the number of sides, right? So let us write number of sides equal to 360 by 12. We get 30. So the number of sides equal to 30. Question number 5. Can we draw a regular polygon with each outer angle 6 degree? What about 7 degree? This question is so easy. How to find it, children? Yes. If we divide 6 from the sum of outer angles, we get number of sides, right? If it is a whole number, we can say we can draw a regular polygon with 6 degree angle. So start writing. First, outer angle of a regular polygon equal to 6 degree. We know the sum of outer angles equal to 360 degree. So the number of sides equal to 360 by 6. We get 60. So we know the number of sides equal to 60. So we can draw a regular polygon with each angle 6 degree. Again one more question is there. What about each outer angle 7 degree? Do the same again. If outer angle of a regular polygon equal to 7 degree, we know the sum of outer angles equal to 360 degree. Then the number of sides equal to 360 by 7. What will get, children? We get 51.42. See children, this number is not a whole number. So we cannot draw a regular polygon with each angle 7 degree. Hope it is clear to you. Then see you in the next class. Have a nice day.